T-Mobile home internet, powered by 5G, offers increasing speeds, but latency can be a hurdle, especially for gaming. Latency, measured in milliseconds, is the delay in data transmission. For optimal gaming, aim for under 50 milliseconds. T-Mobile's wireless nature introduces inherent delays. Key strategies to minimize latency include prioritizing gaming traffic using quality of service settings on your router. Enable QoS and allocate bandwidth to gaming devices. Also, switch from T-Mobile's default DNS servers to faster alternatives like Google Public DNS or Cloudflare to speed up domain name resolution, potentially reducing latency by 10 to 50 milliseconds. Further reduce latency by using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, which adds 5 to 15 milliseconds of delay. Place your T-Mobile gateway centrally to minimize signal interference and limit connected devices to prevent bandwidth saturation. Keep your gateway firmware updated. Looking ahead, T-Mobile is integrating Wi-Fi 7 and mesh systems for better in-home latency distribution. Edge computing, where game servers are closer to users, promises latency cuts of 20 to 30%. By 2027, T-Mobile aims for sub-10 milliseconds latency in urban areas with 5G Advanced and 6G. While rural gaps persist, future trends favor satellite hybrids. Expert opinions and statistics show that while T-Mobile's latency isn't fiber level, it's viable for casual gaming with these tweaks. Some users have seen latency drop from 45 milliseconds to under 30 milliseconds with optimization.